Want to turn screen rotation on or off, or fix auto-rotate when it does not work? I will show you the quick settings control and the separate switch required for home screen landscape mode. Start on the home screen. Swipe down from the top once, then swipe down again to expand all quick settings. Find the tile labeled Portrait. Portrait means rotation is locked, so the display stays upright when you turn the phone. Tap Portrait and it changes to Auto-Rotate. The blue Auto-Rotate tile means supported apps can switch between Portrait and Landscape. Tap it again whenever you want to lock the current portrait orientation. If Auto-Rotate is not working, first confirm the tile actually says Auto-Rotate rather than Portrait. Rotate the physical phone and test inside an app that supports Landscape, because some screens remain Portrait by design. Also make sure rotation is not being tested while the phone lies flat, where the orientation sensor may not detect a clear turn. The home screen has an extra setting. Open Settings, tap Home Screen, then scroll down. Turn on Rotate to Landscape mode. This allows the launcher and home screen to rotate when Global Auto Rotate is also enabled. Turn this switch off if you want apps to rotate but prefer the home screen to stay upright. For home screen landscape, both controls matter. Enable Auto Rotate in Quick Settings and enable Rotate to Landscape mode in home screen settings. If either one is off, the home screen stays Portrait. You can disable only the home screen switch without disabling Landscape inside videos, browsers, or other compatible apps. Here is the complete path again. Swipe down twice to open Quick Settings. Tap Portrait to turn Auto Rotate on, or tap Auto Rotate to lock the phone in Portrait. For home screen rotation, open Settings, choose Home Screen, scroll down, and enable Rotate to Landscape mode. Test by holding the phone upright and turning it sideways in a supported screen. If rotation still fails everywhere, restart the phone and test the tile again. Keep both controls off if you want Portrait only. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Android guides.